Aram, Enu, Shamonad, Temailun.
I understand the sound, but I don't understand the words.
Anu, Aish, Lim, Enuma.
Wait.
I think I'm beginning to understand. How can she understand something nobody has spoken for thousands of years? Monad, Sha, En, Ul, En.
He's saying everything and nothing.
The beginning and the end? Enuma, Akitu, Monad.
He says the beginning isn't behind us.
It is happening now! Then what is the end? Ul, Esh, End.
There is no separate end. What does that mean? It means the end returns to the beginning.
Monad, En, Kulu.
The one. Before division.
So before governments.
Before religions.
Ul, Paul, Ul, Caesar.
He's saying the names don't matter.
Then what does?
Thomas, I can see everything. What are you seeing? People fighting over who owns the truth.
Is that what you've been trying to tell us? Shah, Kulu, Esh.
He says the truth was never owned by anyone. The MONAD.
Is it God? Ul-ism.
It has no name.
Miganganju, Zamaho an Anua.
He says war is not born when the first weapon is fired.
Goa. Baragid Nunyua.
He says it begins much earlier, when people stop listening to one another.
Gangan, on Atlag Mama. And he says fear can turn a neighbor into an enemy before either side has fired a shot. Then what are you trying to tell us? Do not become what you fear.
He says, do not become what you fear.
Ama, Ki Emuni.
The earth does not belong to kings. It does not belong to armies. It belongs to everyone who lives upon it.
Angengo.
And the strangest thing, he says the people fighting on opposite sides are still made from the same ancient dust. He says humanity keeps searching for an enemy outside itself because it is frightened of what it might discover within. Then what is the answer?
In, Gin, Ah.
Remember who you were before anyone told you who you had to hate.
Aignyo, Unbunyo.
He says there is something older than every empire, older than every border, older than every war.
The beginning and the end. Everything and nothing. Home.